Now, we'll show you how to design your farm automation in just a few steps with the IFF Management Configurator. In each step, there is a description and even a detailed video tutorial. Step 1. As first, the system asks for information about water and electro installation type. Knowing this, the configurator will always suggest you the according device type and probe consumables. Even with a good construction plan, it always pays off to check the distances. You'll need a measuring device, preferably a laser rangefinder. If you are not certain about something, you may want to consult with your electrician. Take your time and relax. We continuously save your design, so a coffee break, on-site measuring, or even computer restart won't lose your work. Step 2. We'll start with probes and controllers. First, think about where you want to take measurements and what values you want to measure. Let's responsibly consider these two variables: water quality and measuring equipment. Probes have to be anchored in order to remain in the desired depth and optionally hidden in tubes, safe from fish curiosity and knocks against the tank walls. So you will need a method of attachment and know the length of the tubes. Next, you need to think about where the controller will be located. To use it correctly, you also have to measure the length of the probe cables. The configurator will help you to create a lucid design and not forget anything from the first PLC over relay setup to the very last anchoring screw, swiftly and comfortably. Step 3. In the third step, you can set up your switch boxes on site, but we'll gladly do that for you, and because we love this, we'll do it for free. All you need to do is tell us the conditions and cable length from controller to switch box. Examples of conditions may look like: if the probe on channel 1 measures less than 80% oxygen concentration in water, switch relay on. Or the second condition: if the probe temperature on channel 1 measures less than 15 degrees Celsius, switch relay off. Step 4. In the next step, we will need to know the length of cables between controllers and gate, which collects data and performs backup. IFF gate is the brain of the system and should be located in the control room or a similar secured indoor space. A backup power source is highly recommended. Step 5. After all, you'll receive exactly what you designed. Take your time to measure everything once more. Step 6. Based upon your design, the IFF Management Configurator will suggest to you an adequate amount of accessories and consumables for the first 6 months of use. Do you have pH probes in your design? Calibration solutions will be suggested into your basket, as well as reminders about anchoring or spare sensors. You can always say no, but all the recommendations come from real customer experience. Step 7. The final step doesn't differ from any other online orders, except for one important point. You may check the "Please review my order" option. In this event, one more step will be added. Our design engineers will review your order, and in case of any uncertainty, you'll be contacted with questions and suggestions. For a limited time, we're offering this service for free. Your design will be prepared, set up, and tested. Every single wire will be labeled against its point of connection, so you will never be left wondering what belongs where. Then we pack the order and send it to you. Let the journey begin.